What's up, guys? This is Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and I'm coming to you from my mom and dad's house. We were at Larry's Performance RC, and I picked up a brand new Kyosho Dodge Challenger Ready Set Brushless Edition. This thing is badass. Alright, so if you guys followed me on the community page, I built a Kyosho Fazer MK2. It was the Mercedes version for my dad over the winter, because he goes up to Larry's RC and they have a carpet track, and he really wanted a car for the carpet track. So I got him that one, and then we were driving that one up there, and it's a lot of fun. So I'm gonna have some footage of that, and then I said, I really want one of these, but I want something a little bit different because the Mercedes is really low profile. You can only run it inside. This one, the 1970 Charger, which comes brushless, they normally come brushed, because I bought the kit for my dad and I built it up with a brushless setup. This thing's already done, already brushless, all ready to run. It was only $319, which I thought was a hell of a deal, because after I got done with my dad's, it was probably about $350. So this one is awesome. You can see it's a little higher up, sits a little higher up. The Charger version got the blower on the front. It's light bucket ready, so you could put lights on it if you want. I might do that, but dang, this car looks so cool. I had to have it. Let's get into the inside. All right, here's the inside of the car. It's like any other Fazer MK2, but this comes with the upgraded drive shaft to handle brushless. I don't think it comes with the aluminum motor mount, and the front doesn't have the CVDs. So I'm probably going to get the CVDs for the front. I might get the aluminum motor mount. I'm not 100% sure yet. Everything else is just like the kit though. They're ready to run. This servo is not half bad. I've already tested it. And it's got a 3652 540 size motor. And this one's 4,000 kV. The one I put in my dad's was 3,000 kV, and that thing rips. So I tested this already in the driveway, and it does rip. So I'm really excited. I've just got a small 2-cell battery hooked up to it. So we're going to take it up to the track, so I'll have some footage of that. ESC, this is a 60 amp. It says that it's 3S LiPo. Oh man, if I put this thing on a 3S, it'd be nuts. Here's a standard Kyosho radio. I've never had one of these, and if I'm being real honest, I'm not impressed. This is a very short trigger pull. It's very light. This is a ridiculous brake. Like, proportionally, this is like 75%. This is only 25% of the throttle, of the full throw of the trigger. So it's kind of ridiculous. Foam wheel's good. It's really springy. I don't like that. But it does have all your trims. Steering trim, throttle trim is nice. Throttle EPA, I shouldn't say throttle trim. Throttle EPA is nice. You can turn this down, give it to a kid. Dual rate, reverse. You know, that's all it is. I'm going to definitely hook it up to one of my Spectrum radios, because driving the other Kyosho at a track, you really need EPA. They're very touchy as far as steering and throttle, so you got to kind of turn that stuff down to your driving style, and then it becomes better, easier to drive. So these tires, I like these tires. They're like a more of a street tread for the Charger, but you can get all kinds of different Kyosho tires for this. So I'm probably going to get another body, because this body, oh guys, this body, it is so dang cool. It's ready for, if you want to do light buckets, LED lights, you can do that. I mean, the Kyosho just does their body so nice. I really like how Kyosho does these licensed bodies. They're so dang cool. So I don't want to destroy this body. So I'll probably get another Proline body. I might get the 79 Camaro body that I got from my dad, and then just cut a hole in it for the supercharger. So that'll be cool. But other than that, I'm into these on-road cars right now. I know it's not, you know, anything super cool like a sledge or something like that, but right now I'm into this stuff. So we'll show some track footage now. All right, before we go to the track, this is the Fazer MK2 that I did for my dad. This is the 79 Pro Line on-road body. It fits this car perfect. So I painted this up because it's the Mercedes body. We didn't want to scuff it up, and I'm glad we didn't, because you can see we took it to the track today already. You can see it gets scuffed up pretty bad, which I figured would happen. So I did his up pretty nice. This is the kit version. Again, it comes with, you can see, maybe you can see, it comes with the metal CVDs in the front, plastic in the back, and then I gotta redo this double stick tape. But I got a Max 10, 3652, 3000 kV, and then I went with a Traxxas TQI, because I had it from my X-Max actually. And then when we were at the track, we were like, man, it's too hard to drive, we need Expo. So then there was a guy there, he's like, just get the Link. I'm like, duh. So we got the Link, and then we could screw around with Expo, and then that opens up all the possibilities of this Traxxas radio. So this car is really, really fast and really, really good on the track. So again, that's why I got mine. But I wanted to show this real quick before we do the track footage. All right, here we are on the track. Sorry, my phone doesn't focus that well. Oop. There you go. What's that? You're doing good. With the charger.
You're right in the way.
What's that?
I gotta get up on this.
Yeah, you gotta get up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, get on up here.
We're checking out here now. I got quite a bit.
Yeah, that's fine. That'll work.